How to negotiate effectively in mediation. How to negotiate effectively in mediation. Mediation is a negotiation process aimed at reaching a mutually agreeable solution. Having effective negotiation skills are important for a successful outcome. This presentation will provide practical tips for negotiating in mediation. Before your mediation. Before you start your mediation, you should know your bottom line and determine your walkaway point. Make sure to define your goals, or what you hope to achieve in mediation. Be sure to collect all relevant documents and evidence prior to your mediation. Think about the other side's needs and interests, even if it is difficult. During your mediation. During your mediation, be prepared to compromise. Not everything will go your way. Explore the underlying reasons behind each party's demands. Be creative when brainstorming potential solutions to address needs. Express your needs and respectfully listen to the other party. After your mediation. If you have reached an agreement during mediation, make sure to review the agreement carefully to ensure it has all the terms you agreed to. If you have not reached an agreement, ask questions regarding the next steps so that you can properly prepare. If you need to, consult an attorney before signing any agreement or taking any steps after your mediation. A good negotiation is not hard, as long as you prepare and come with a cool head to your next mediation. We hope you enjoyed learning more about negotiation strategy for your next mediation. Please help Happy Mediation reach more people by liking this video or making a donation and sharing it with other people.